Hello everyone, welcome to my drawing channel. I will take you on a step-by-step journey to unlock your artistic potential. I will show you some fun and exciting techniques to help you discover the joy of drawing. Before we begin our drawing lesson today, we need some basic drawing supplies. Here is a list of items that you will need. Are you ready? First, we use our pencil and lightly sketch out the basic framework of the picture we want to draw on the paper. Draw a large half oval as the body of our egg. Draw the position of shark's head. Draw a bow tie if you want. The shark's wings are holding a flower. Draw the flower on the top of the eggshell. Draw two ovals on the left side of the main egg. And then move on to the right side. Once we have our outline, we can erase the shape lightly so it is not too dark, but we still can see their positions. Then, you can begin with the detailed drawing. You can use a zigzag line to draw the broken part of the egg. Draw the eye of the shark. You can do any kind you want. Adding some waves to the flower's petals will make the flower look more realistic. Once you're done with the detailed drawing, use a marker to trace over the sketch. You can use a black marker or colorful marker. You also can fix any mistake you made in the rough leaf sketch before you start coloring. After completing the tracing process, remember to use an eraser to remove any excess pencil markers. If you have finished, we can move on to the next step now. Adding color is a super important step in drawing. It brings your artwork to life and makes it look more realistic. Now let's get started with adding color. Pick the color you like and carefully fill them in. I will show you how I color, but feel free to create your own style and experiment. Adding some deep blue color can make the bow tie look more three-dimensional. Let's start designing Easter eggs. You can design them based on your performance, what elements you will like to add to the eggs. For example, intersection dot, colorful strips, vibrate flowers, cartoon characters, geometry shapes such as stars or triangles, animal shapes such as bunny or tricks, and any kinds of patterns. We can add shadows to the egg by incorporating darker tones on the bottoms and sides, creating the illusion of shadows and giving it more depth and dimension. Don't forget to add shadow to the ground. Thank you for tuning to today's class. We are done now, but I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to check my channel for other drawing classes. See you next time. Bye!